Wala namin, wala ang tira. Sino kayo nakakuha? Si Mr. Lucido. 5 seconds to shoot. Block. Foul. Foul na number 10, Morada. Third personal foul ng Morada. Substitution. Third personal foul ng Morada and third team fouls. Third team fouls. Third personal foul ng Morada and third team fouls. 32.2 seconds remaining time. Allega. Using the last 2 points by Allega. 17 seconds remaining time. 15 seconds. Lucido for 3, no good. 10 seconds remaining time. Two points by Banag. Wala na po tayong oras. Ang ating mong score, 55-53 para sa ating third quarter. Shena at Kimberly Vasquez, kailangan daw kayo dito sa comedy sa WSK. Papalitan niyo daw.